Alright guys, we are going to be doing I'm going to be showing you my team and why it's so good from their goals, and it's not that cheap. Well, you can say it's cheap if you have a lot of money, but it's not that cheap. In that we have on-form Fabriski, who plays for Arsenal, whose stats are really high and is a pretty good goalkeeper. In right back we have Walker, who is very, very quick, even though he's only got 80 pace. In the centre backs we have Sendoris, I don't know how you say it, and Craddock, who score quite a few goals for same as centre backs. Not headers from corners, but actually shots. So they're pretty good. Left back we have Figueras, I don't know how you say it, I really don't. In left mid we have Matthew Jarvis, one of my favourite players on this game. In centre mid we have Cohen and Reed. Reed is a free kick taker, which I did not realise. In right mid we have Binner, and then up front we have Hines and Campbell. And now I'm going to show you my other team, which is high rated, I don't think it's as good. In there we still have Fabriski, as from earlier. In right back we have Erdley, or Erdl, I don't know. Centre back we have Bramall and Machina, I think. In left back we have Shorey. Left mid we have Kakuta. In centre mid we have Gardner and Majaz, I think. He is amazing at free kicks again. In right mid we have Taylor Fletcher, who is great at bicycle kicks. I did not know that. I did a bicycle kick with him, but I lost connection at the end of the game, and I record by the end of the game, so I kind of like lost the clip. In strike we have Beckford and Fortune, Marc-Antoine Fortuné, I don't know, that's the way you pronounce it, but it's not that good. And I'm just going to show you the goals now, and we start by a goal from Kakuta, who does a finesse. Not that good a finesse, it's just from outside the box. After that we've got a goal from Matthew Jarvis, another finesse, a lot better actually this time. Next is a goal from Cohen, who tackles the defender and shoots straight away, which goes in the top corner, which is probably the best ever goal he scored. After that, my other keeper, Taylor, made a penalty save. And then straight after, Hines goes and scores a goal, which was a normal, typical. So, we're gonna have it's two shots from very long range with Miliage. One hits the crossbar or post, I don't know which one, and then the other one, the keeper makes a really good save. I have to, he makes a great save. Next is, I think it's Beckford, who runs past, shoots, hit the crossbar, throws it past the line, and bounces out. So, not a bad shot. That we got a Beckford volley, and then, you got two Beckford's volleys, both going in obviously, or else I wouldn't have them. Next we have a finesse from our French striker, Fortune, or whatever his name is, I don't know, from outside the box. Our next goal was from Beckford. I was playing against my mate, and he brought out his keeper, and the keeper failed, and then I just walked past him and just shot, so it's awesome. Next is my second favourite goal from Gary Taylor Fletcher, who does an amazing scissor kick from outside the box. On this one, from Campbell, long range shot. The keeper is screwed as well. Next goal is a Fortune finesse volley. Let's put it that way. Almost alliteration. If volley started with an F, it would be. But there's some English for you guys. There's some English. Next goal. Well, it's not a goal. It's a third attempt from Fortune. But I have to give him credit. He had pressure on by the defense, and wasn't even that far away. To be fair, it was a bicycle kick. So. And then our final, last goal was from Fortune. My favourite goal by far from this team. He did a bicycle. We're just going to watch that again because I quite enjoyed it. So, thanks for watching guys. See ya.